Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm looking busted, but what's new, right? Okay, so today I am going to basically show you guys how I prep my hair for wash. Okay, if you've been watching my other videos, you know the process of me washing. Sorry for the noise. Okay, a quick update. I've decided to wash my hair with distilled water again. It's just so much better for my hair, and I noticed a difference as well. Not to say the city water is like bad and stuff, but using the distilled water, it's a lot better. Okay, don't mind my attire. I just finished working out, and oh my goodness, this is the worst time to record a video because there's so much noise. So I just took out my twist. I feel like all of this, all I have to, it's not noticeably, I'm not gonna say damaged, but I feel like I need to cut off at least this much. I can feel it. I can kind of feel it. But anyways, so yeah, I don't know if I told you guys that how I miss washing my hair in my tub, right? So that's what I started doing, I think like 3 months ago. I started washing my hair back inside my tub, not using the water coming out the faucet, no ma'am. I started washing my hair using the bucket, my famous black bucket that I have been using since day one in washing my hair, okay, with the distilled water. And no lie, I love it. I love it. I get more control when it comes to washing my hair. I don't have to like bend forward to wash my hair because that is annoying. Having to bend forward to wash your hair. So I just sit in the tub, and then I have the warm water in front of me inside my bucket, and I'm sitting on like this little stool, my son's stool. Yes, okay. I'm from the island, so we're gonna make it work. And then I have like a little cup of, oh my goodness, please just stop. I have my little cup. Well, it's a big cup. And then I would get the water and then just slowly, it's so therapeutic, just slowly pour it onto my hair. It makes a huge difference, okay? When you wash your hair going against gravity, and when you wash your hair like going forwards. So the person that's mowing my lawn, why it sound like he was in my house? But he said ow, like ow, but it sounded like he was in my house. That's weird. I mean, if you're trying to get in, guess what? The Holy Spirit is like, no ma'am, or no sir. You're gonna get hurt, boo. Like, I'm not even scared. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just built that way. I don't know. I'm not, like, listen, no weapon formed against me will prosper, bro. Like, straight up. Like, come through if you want to. Come through. I'm prepared. Anyways, so whatever. I don't know. I don't hear anything else but the man screaming out. He's probably in my backyard. But I don't know why I heard him so close. Hello? But anyways, so yeah, another quick update. See, I just get off topic a lot. Like this crazy squirrel, right? But yeah, so for the past few months, I give my hair a break from the twist. And I've been doing just my hair, you know, little cute basic hairstyles. I don't take pictures, which sucks. So I can't really show you the styles I've been doing, but it's minimal. I've been doing like twist outs. It'll be either in a high bun or a low bun. Very basic styles. Very, 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 very basic styles. But I decided to put back my twist last month in September. I think in October, in August, I decided to put my twist back in again, and they were a small twist. Okay, it wasn't meanie or anything. They were small twists, and then I just recently took it out like 2 days ago. So my hair did grow. I noticed my edges grew a lot, as you can see. It's peasy. Okay, that's an indication that your edge is growing. It looks fuller. Okay, I've been using my butter and oil, of course. I've been using Alodia hair care products. Her products are amazing. I've been using, y'all already know, like my last moisturizing, re-moisturizing routine, I did use Cantu. And listen, no lie, it kept my hair so soft. I think for like, since I took it out, like it was still soft. Okay. But yeah, that's a small hair update right now. I am just pre-pooing my hair. But my last video, I was talking about how, I was talking about basically the kit that I created to kind of help my sisters and brothers with their hair care regimen and routine. Okay, hopefully you guys will take advantage of this kit. If you just need the cards, you can definitely purchase that separately as well on my store, so you don't necessarily have to get the whole kit. The whole kit is basically just for those that are extra busy and just want something that's on the go, or just want something that like a bundle where they don't have to like keep searching for this, that. Everything is all in one little kit. Hopefully it helps. Okay, I be trying to make things a lot easier for everybody, because growing your hair or keeping a set regimen for your hair is not hard, and it shouldn't be hard. People make it hard, no lie. People be saying like, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. We don't necessarily have to do all of that. And if you do all of that, it could still be simple. Like, let's say if you pre-poo like I'm doing, yes, it is time consuming, but if you're consistent with it, it'll become something that just flows. Okay, make time for it. And if you don't want to pre-poo, that's fine too. There was some debate on whether or not oils grow your hair or herbs grow your hair. Ma'am, I'm not going to lie. Yes, oils grow your hair. You know why I say that? Because I have proof. My oldest daughter, her hair was never thin, but it wasn't as thick as it is now, right? Her hair is like really thick, okay? After pre-pooing and being consistent for a year, yo, I noticed a huge difference. A huge difference. And I was shocked. Not sure exactly how it happened. Did she accumulate more strands, or did the strands that she had before just thickened up? And I think that's what happened. Why I say that is because one of her strands stuck out to me one day. It was so thick. I never seen a strand so thick. It reminded me of like wire, okay? And I thought it wasn't a part of her hair. So when I went to go like snatch it off, because I thought it was like something else in her hair, she was like, ow, I didn't snatch it off yet. Like I tugged it. And then she was like, ow. And I'm like, ow, what? I'm trying to get this thing out your hair. She's like, Mom, that's my hair. So I looked at the strand. This strand was so thick, and I noticed she had a whole lot of thick strands. So I'm guessing the oil is making the actual strand thicker, which is, no lie, it's mind-boggling. It's weird. It's weird. It's like, it's a good weird, but it's like, what? Like, what? No lie, the strand was bothering me. It was just sticking out. I should have probably left it, but it was like longer than most of the twist that was, because it wasn't a twist, so it was longer than most of the strands that was inside that one little twist. So I decided to just cut it. Yeah, it bothered me. When I tried to cut it or snap it, whatever, it went, because I was curious. Okay? I'm like, no, this can't be. I mean, I believe my products, but it's like when you actually see the proof in the pudding, it's like, wow, this is amazing. I noticed her hair getting thicker. Okay, I didn't know how it was getting thicker, honestly. I just knew that the oil was working. I was like, oh, okay, her hair got thick. So those who say, oh, oils don't grow your hair, or the herbs can't grow your hair, child. Boo. It's a lie. Because it can with consistency. It's not for everybody, okay? Just because it grew her hair doesn't mean it'll grow your hair at the same time or same moment. It took a year for me to notice a difference, and that's because I just was going through pictures and stuff, and then that's when I noticed. So it probably, her hair was probably getting thicker way before that year mark. But it might take you 2 years. It might take you less. So I'm trying to stay consistent when it comes to hot oil treatment on my hair. So I can get some thick strands too, because my hair has been through a lot. I was watching this video. I can't find the video. I would have to like look way back at my history, and hopefully if I find it, I'll definitely like post a link on the video that I was watching. Some girl, she was going through the same thing, but I think she moved to New York, and it was an area in New York that had like really bad water, and so she thought she had a medical issue, but in reality it was her water. So the same exact thing that happened to me happened to her. She started using distilled water. She did not give an update, which sucks. But I'm like, yo, it's not only Florida, yo. It's other cities too. We're just dealing with this water. The water is bad. It's really bad. It is about to be like time for me to go pick up my daughter. I always wait last minute. Today was a tiring day. I fell asleep. I'm not going to lie. I fell asleep, and then I worked out and ate, and now I'm doing my hair. Yeah. I will definitely show you a comparison video. Before well water and after well water. Yo, bruh, it's a huge difference. I'm trying to get my hair back. My hair was thick. Like, you never know how healthy your hair is until you lose it, bro. And until you like look at pictures from back in the day and from like before your damage, and then you'd realize that, yo, you have mad hair, bro. But it's all good. See, my hair is a lot shorter. Yep, it's a lot shorter compared to before, but I am trying to get my hair to grow back again. I would need another cut in the future, but I'll just wait. I don't feel like cutting my hair right now. I did cut a few pieces in the back when I did have the twist, because they were just bothering me. I was so annoyed, so I just cut it. Okay, got my cap on, and this is my electric heat hat that has like a drawstring right here, and I would leave this on for like, honestly, I don't have time today, so I'll leave it on for like 10 minutes. This thing gets really, really hot. Okay, so this is basically it. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, as always, be blessed.